Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So guys, today we are going to do a special video. Guys, you must be wondering why I'm shooting this in dark because guys, now it's 3 a.m. Now it's 3 a.m. guys and it's the devil hour. And in this devil hour we are going to do Charlie Horror Challenge. Guys, you must have heard a lot about this challenge. Yeah, it's a creepy and a sort of dangerous challenge. In this challenge, we have to sit with two pencils and a paper. In that, yes and no will be written, and it's believed that our devil will move the pencil towards yes or no. And guys, we will be doing this challenge virtually, that is on a digital platform, on a digital board. So yeah, we are preferring this digital method so that the pencil does not move because of gravity and we feel that like the ghost is moving it. This type of misconception does not take place, so we are doing this in a digital platform. So guys, let's see what happens. Okay, so guys, now we will be starting. We have to talk. So are you Charlie? Are you Charlie? Guys, the pointer is not moving till now. I don't know what's happening. It's not moving till now. The pencil is still. Oh, it started moving and it's moving fast. Okay, guys, you can see it pointed to yes, guys. Guys, it came to yes. Guys, so you can see it pointed yes and it totally pointed towards yes. Guys, now next question. Do you want to talk to me? Do you want to talk to me? Guys, it's not moving again. I don't know whether it will move or not. Do you want to talk to me, Charlie? Okay, so it's still. I don't know what's happening. Oh my god, it started moving so fast. It started moving so fast, guys. Guys, I really don't know what's happening, guys. It pointed to yes, that means it wants to talk to us. Guys, you can see the pencil pointed towards yes, so that means yes. So now I will ask the next question. Next question is, are you a child spirit? Are you a child spirit? Please answer us by moving the pencil. Are you there? Please answer us. Are you a child spirit? It started moving, guys. Guys, it started moving. You can see it's moving now. Guys, you can see it's moving. Guys, it pointed towards no. Guys, you can see it pointed towards no. That means it's not a child spirit. I really don't know what's happening because first it told us that it's Charlie and now it's telling that it's not a child spirit, but we know that Charlie was a child spirit. Okay, so now let me ask, were you murdered? Were you murdered by someone or did you commit suicide? Were you murdered? Guys, the pencil is moving very slowly. I don't know whether I did wrong by asking this question or not. Guys, I think it will stop at yes. Yes, guys, it stopped at yes. So, guys, this game is going very creepy now. Do you want to continue talking with me? Do you want to continue talking with me? Oh my god, it's moving so fast, guys. Guys, you can see, guys, it's moving so fast. I really don't know what's happening, but it's moving super fast. No, that means it does not want to talk with me, guys. It's getting very spooky now. It answered no. That means maybe it's angry or something, maybe like that. So guys, now I will ask the next question to it. Let me think what I will ask next. Okay, so do you like me, Charlie? Do you like me? I don't know what will be his answer now. Let me see. I think no. Yes, oh, that means he likes me, but still he does not want to talk with me. I don't know, guys. I am really very much confused that what it is answering. Okay, so now I will ask the next question, the primary question that I need to understand whether it's Charlie or someone else. Like, so I will be asking the next question. So my next question will be, are you a male spirit? Are you a male spirit? Guys, you can see the pencil is moving very fast. Like, I don't know, guys. Previously also I did this experiment, but the pencil was not moving so fast at that time. I don't know, guys. And it's pointed towards yes. That means yes, it's a male spirit. Okay. So now I will ask the next question in the process of assuring that it's Charlie. So my next question will be, maybe I will ask, let me think. Okay, so is your age below 18? Okay, so the pencil is not moving, or it's moving very slowly. No, it's not moving. The pencil is not moving, guys. You can see the pencil is totally still. The pencil is not at all moving. I really don't know what's happening, but the pencil is totally still. It's not moving, guys. Now, guys, it's getting very much spooky, and I don't know what will happen now. Okay, so do you want me to stop the game? Do you want me to stop the game? Oh my god. Why it's moving so fast now? I don't know, guys. It's moving so fast. Yes, so he wants me to stop the game. Okay, so now I think I should not continue for long. I will just ask another question, that is, what do you want? Guys, I did not even complete the question and it started moving. Guys, you can see I did not even complete the question and it's moving like this. Like, no. Okay, now I will ask the primary question that I need to ensure the safety and the security that I am doing this. Okay, so next question that I will ask is, maybe next question that I will ask, can you harm us? Can you harm us, or will you harm us? Okay, guys, so the pointer is again moving. The pointer is again moving, guys. You can see the pointer is again moving and it's moving very fast. I really don't know, guys. Yes. Oh my god, it said yes. That means it can harm us. Oh my god, guys, you can see it's getting very spooky now, guys. I really don't know whether I should continue or not. I think I should end it right now. Did you kill someone before? Did you kill someone before? Guys, again you can see it's moving very fast. I think I made him angry or something like that, because it's moving super fast, guys. You can see it's moving so fast, guys. I really don't know whether I should continue or not, but guys, it's moving so fast. I am myself very much confused that whether I should continue, and it said yes. Oh my god, that means it killed someone. My god, it's getting very spooky now. Shall I stop? Shall I stop? I don't know, guys. It will again tell me yes, I suppose. Yes. Okay, so now I think I'm sorry for disturbing you. Now I will be leaving. Bye. Oh my god, it's moving. I don't know what it will say. I really don't know, guys, what it will say again. No! My god, now it does not want me to leave. Guys, you can see now it does not want me to leave. I seriously don't know, guys. Don't you want me to leave? Don't you want me to leave? Please answer. Should I leave? Should I leave? Guys, I am asking, should I leave? Because this game has a rule that we... My god, what is this, guys? तो फिर guys, आप लोगों ने देखा कि हमने ये चैलेंज किया एंड उसके बाद क्या हुआ, लाइक गाइज आई टू क्विट एट दैट पोजीशन बिकॉज उस वक्त जो हुआ था उसके बाद पूरा स्क्रीन फ्रीज हो गया था. आई रियली डोंट नो व्हाई एंड वेदर इट्स समथिंग डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग बाय द ऐप और नॉट. गाइज आई रियली डोंट नो, बट उस वक्त पूरा स्क्रीन फ्रीज हो गया था एंड आई नीडेड टू रिस्टार्ट माई डिवाइस. सो गाइज उस वक्त मुझे चैलेंज स्टॉप कर देना पड़ा था, बट अपने पूरा चैलेंज देखा एंड गाइज आई होप कि आप लोगों ने एंजॉय किया. सो इफ यू वांट टू सी मोर challenges like this, please do comment down, and guys please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned, guys.